So I have the Casio F-91W, and I'll be showing you how to set the date. All right. So for instance, today is Monday 10th. Okay. So what you want to do is simply press mode. That goes to alarm. Press mode again. That goes to stopwatch. Press mode again. That goes to time. Okay. Now with the time, you want to press to jump to hours. That's going to start blinking the hours. Pressing again will jump to minutes. Pressing again will jump to the month. Okay, so it's June, so that's accurate, 6. If I needed to change, I'll just cycle through the different months. Okay, so I'll just set it to 6, and then I'll press the light button again. That will let me change the actual date. So since it's 10th, I'll just keep pressing this, and you can see it blinking in the top right corner. Currently it's on 19th, so I'll go all the way round to 30 and 31st, and then I'll start again so that I come back to 10th. Okay, and then I'll press the light button again, choose the day. Today is Monday, so I'll just press this: Friday, Saturday, Sunday, Monday. Okay, and that's it. And then now I can press mode again, and you can see now it's 10th Monday at 5:09 a.m. Okay, so that's basically how to set the date on your Casio F-91W. Thanks for watching, and good luck.